My pet. My pet is a friendly and playful dog named Max. He is a golden retriever with a shiny golden coat and big expressive eyes. Max loves to play fetch in the backyard and he never gets tired of chasing his favorite ball. He is always excited to meet new people and gets along well with other animals. Max is also very smart. He knows how to sit, stay, and even shake hands on command. Every morning, he wakes me up with a wagging tail and a cheerful bark, ready to start the day. Max has a gentle nature, making him great with kids and the elderly. He enjoys cuddling on the couch during movie nights and often sneaks in for a nap on my bed when no one is looking. One of his favorite activities is going for walks in the park, where he can explore new scents and occasionally chase after squirrels. Max also loves water, and it's a delight to watch him splash around in a nearby lake during summer. He's a good watchdog too. He barks just enough to alert us if someone is at the door, but he's never aggressive. Training him was relatively easy because he's eager to please and learns quickly. Feeding time is another highlight of his day. He never misses a meal and enjoys treats as rewards for good behavior. Max has his quirks, like hiding his toys around the house, which always makes us laugh when we find them in unexpected places. Taking care of Max has taught me responsibility and the importance of being patient and kind. He's not just a pet, he's a part of our family and brings us a lot of joy and love. Overall, having Max as a pet has brought immense happiness and comfort to our lives, and I can't imagine our home without him. Thank you.